Welcome to the world of ALP astrology. I am Nitya Shankar, your ALP astrologer. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I offer my humble pranams to our ALP Guruji, Shri Podudai Murthy. The moment a child is born, the mother is also born. She never existed before. Yes, motherhood is a boon in every woman's life. Today, we will discuss if the natal of this horoscope has the opportunity to bear a child. Let's now look into the horoscope. The ALP Lagna is Scorpio. The ALP Lagna Lord is Mars. He holds the lordship of the first house and sixth house and is positioned in the fourth house, that is Aquarius, from ALP. The ALP Lagna point is Jyeshta, fourth quadrant. The ALP Lagna point Lord is Mercury. He holds the lordship of the 8th house and 11th house and is positioned in ALP itself. So far, we note that the positions are very congenial. But for any queries related to children, it is important to look into the 5th house. So now we see that the 5th house is Pisces. The 5th house Lord holds the lordship of the 2nd house and the 5th house, and he is Jupiter and is positioned in 4th house to ALP in conjunction with Mars. But this position is the 12th position for the 5th house. So it indicates that medical treatment is required for any childbearing related situation. We also note that the D9 is currently in Pisces, which is also a comfortable position. But here we note that the ALP will shift after May 2022. So we need to check if the ALP Lagna Sagittarius post 2022 May, whether that position is congenial for childbirth. So when we consider Sagittarius, we see that Jupiter is the ALP Lagna Lord. He holds the lordship of the 1st house and 4th house, and now we see that his position is 3rd place to ALP. Now when we consider the ALP Lagna point, it is Mula, 1st quadrant, and the Lord is Ketu. He is positioned in the 10th place to ALP. We also have to consider the 5th house to Sagittarius, which is Aries, and here the Lagna Lord holds the lordship of the 5th house and 12th house, and he is positioned in the 3rd house to ALP in conjunction with Jupiter. So these positions seems congenial for medical treatment related childbirth. So if the natal takes a proper medical treatment, they stand a chance for having a child. So any related analysis, if you want to do, you can download the software, which is a free software from Google Store, by typing ALP astrology and check for yourself in your horoscope. For further queries on ALP, you can visit us at our website, which is www.alpastrology.com. So, until we meet next time with an interesting topic, this is Nitya Shankar signing off. Thank you.